Hi guys, Fossil starting today's video. I'm going to be talking about famous genres on Jam, but before I do, hit the subscribe button and let's get into it. First off, Wisteria Moon. Wisteria Moon is about a wolf that likes to play Animal Jam. She also plays Star Stable, which is really funny, and she does lots of updates. I mean it. She gets lots of updates. She also shows her face. And yeah, let's get to the other one. Pepper's also Apari's sister, but let's talk about that later. She does lots of cool mailing. She shows her face. Also, she does updates as well. Now let's talk about Apari. Apari quit Animal Jam, but he's still fun and caring, and Apari is Pepper's sister, and also he wasted a bunch of diamonds just for you guys, so you better watch after him. And also he does mail time and his reveal of his face. Well, yeah. Well, next is Cookie Swirl C. Cookie Swirl C plays Animal Jam, but her username is PlayCookiePlay, and her YouTube name is Cookie Swirl C. And she also does Animal Jam toys and all that. But I'm sorry, I can't show you her face reveal. I'm really sorry. Nope, just kidding. I'm gonna show you her face reveal in 3, 2, 1. Here it is. And guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and goodbye.